Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create ledger in Zoho Books. So of course, head over to books.zoho.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Accountant, then click on Chart of Accounts. To create a ledger, just head over and click on New. And from here, just fill in the details regarding the account. You can choose from asset, liability, income, expense, or equity, and this will determine where it will appear in reports. Next is add in an account name. This will serve as the name of your ledger. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!